The top reliable refrigerator brands of 2023.
Hello and welcome. Today, we'll be talking about the top-rated refrigerator brands for reliability in 2023. With many brands on the market, it can be challenging to determine which refrigerator is best suited to meet your needs. However, understanding a brand's reputation for reliability can help guide your decision-making process. Let's dive right into it.
What is meant by reliability?
Reliability in terms of refrigerators refers to their performance consistency over time, their durability, and the frequency of needed repairs. A reliable refrigerator brand delivers products that maintain optimal temperature, feature a low failure rate, and provide a long lifespan.
Which brands are known for their reliability?
Here, we'll take a look at the top 5 most reliable refrigerator brands. 1. Whirlpool. Known for its robust product range and great customer service, Whirlpool is a leader in appliance reliability. Its refrigerators are applauded for their consistent performance and long-lasting durability. 2. LG. LG stands out with its technologically advanced refrigerators. With an impressive warranty and excellent consumer ratings, LG refrigerators promise reliability and performance. 3. Samsung. Samsung offers an array of feature-rich refrigerators. Noted for their innovative design and energy efficiency, Samsung refrigerators are also reliable and durable. 4. GE Appliances. GE is recognized for its high-quality, reliable, and user-friendly refrigerators. From compact to full-size models, GE refrigerators provide exceptional dependability. 5. Frigidaire. Frigidaire refrigerators are known for their consistent performance, dependability, and reasonable prices. This brand provides a great balance between cost and reliability.
What factors contribute to a refrigerator's reliability?
Key factors that contribute to a refrigerator's reliability include the quality of construction materials, innovative design features, warranty length, and positive consumer feedback. These elements tend to correlate with a lower likelihood of repairs and long-term performance stability. And there we have it. The top reliable refrigerator brands of 2023: Whirlpool, LG, Samsung, GE Appliances, and Frigidaire. Remember, while reliability is crucial, it's also essential to consider your specific needs and preferences when choosing a refrigerator. We hope this video has been helpful in your search for a reliable refrigerator. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.